Alright, welcome to N8N. In this video, I'll show you how to update it. You'll only need to do this if you're using N8N locally, as the online version is always up to date. You might see critical update available, or you may just want to update it, okay? So, as you can see, there are different options. It says it's important to keep your N8N updated to have the latest improvements and changes. As you can see, there are two options, npm, which I use, or Docker, okay? If you have it through npm, just type npm update N8N in a command prompt, okay? And then it'll start updating, okay? Where do we find the command prompt? Well, we can simply search for command prompt or CMD. You can also use Windows plus R and type CMD. There are many ways to open it, okay? We just enter this npm update N8N, alright? This updates to the latest version. For the next version, we'd use N8N at next, okay? We'd enter this command here. Now, if we wanted to update it in Docker, we do this. To update in Docker, we go to images. Here's the image. See, that's how we got to images. We tab and select pull from the context menu. It's here. Click these three buttons and hit pull to get the latest version, okay? We can also use this command line in Docker, which I think works in CMD too, alright? Here are all the lines of code and such. So that's how you update, okay? I'll wait for the update to finish, which should be wrapping up soon, and show you how it's updated. Well, as you can see here, we now have the updated version, alright? It's telling us there's a minor version available, okay? I don't recommend updating minor versions, as they might not be stable. Got it? It's better to go for major versions, which are more stable, but that's up to you. If you want the latest, or if it fixes a crucial bug, you can update. Now, if I reopen my N8N, okay? I'll wait a bit. There it is, updating. No more limits on active workflows with this update and all, okay? So yeah, it's updated now. As you can see, it's that simple. Hope you found this helpful.